Introducing the stunning 2023 Skoda Kodiaq 7S Style 2.0 TDI in blue. This powerful SUV boasts 150 horsepower, automatic transmission, and a range of impressive features including satellite navigation, Bluetooth, rear armrest, and more. With safety and security features like ABS, parking assistance, and anti-collision systems, you can drive with peace of mind. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit our website, spiritskoda.ie, for more information on how you can make this extraordinary vehicle yours.